Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. First we're opening colors. Light, dark green color, dark pink color, red color, orange color, silver color, yellow color, sky blue color, purple color. The next one is light pink color, light green color. Stay with us. White color, black color, blue color, brown color. Exactly. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Yes, orange color. A. The next one is B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for egg. F. F for fish. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we're using the color of blue. I. The next one is J. K. The next one is L. L for lemon. M for moon. N for nose and for nest. Kids, the next one is O. P. P for penguin. Now we're using the color of light pink. Writing the alphabet of number of 1. The next one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, S-I-X, 6. Now we're using the color of silver. Writing 7, 8. The next one is 9, N-I-N-E, 9, 10, T-E-N, 10. Thank you so much for watching.